Hello everyone, my name is Harrison, and today I'm going to show you guys on how to create a database file using Data Manager, and also we'll learn how to enter data with Virtual Data Manager. So first, let me launch my DB 6.0. Voila, here we go. First and secondly, let me add components. Here also, after components here, add those data control 6.0 and data grid. Applied, closed. Nice. Like I said, we want to use Virtual Data Manager. So we have two versions. So you can choose between versions 2.0 and DB or 0.0 and DB. So I want to use MDB 7.0 MDB. So in this, we will call. Let's give the name of our database as name. This name. Save. So we want to create a table. So new table. So our table name will be employee. So let's have feeds for employee table. First, to add employee and to add an employee to a new organization, first we need the employee name, ID, stuff like that. So firstly, employee or employee name, your employee and then employee DOD, which stands for date of birth. Oh, employee, you can modify that later. Employee email. I think this is not okay. Employee salary. Okay, there's no, so close. So remember this employee date of birth, so I want to modify that. And okay, you can leave it, doesn't mean. Actually, what I want to do, let me remove that piece. Add it again. Add employee DOB. So in this type you have to specify since the database or date/time, so you can mark it required. So you have view the table. So here's our database with fields, which is employee name, ID, email, salary, and date of birth. So also when we use utility, so data form designer. So the form name should be employee hard. So record source, I believe by now you know what is a record source. What is the record source? So yeah, view form. Voila, here we go. So you have a form here. As you can see, we have two forms, which is the first one which I drew. So you have to remove it. Remove. No, here we go. And also make the startup object be very hard. Okay, here we go. As you can see, with the help of Virtual Data Manager, we have completed a form. So what means is that since we want to use Argo, we are not using DAO, which stands for data access object. So you have to remove this and click on Argo. So you can just make it small. One thing I want to point out here is that if you click play now, as you can see, you can see Argo data. ADODC1 is showing there, so we want to make that invisible. So by doing that, you have to make sure it's clicked and visible with the force. So here we go. And second, we need the data grid. to display what we had and more refresh, update, stuff like that. So and now in this AD home DC, so we have to connect our database, our right clicking, properties. So build using connection string, build. So in data link properties, you choose Microsoft Jet 4.0. So next, you have to browse our database just quickly. Just name, test. Oh, here we go. Test connection CCA. So our record source should be here. Apply. Okay. So that's first. That's our major. First thing we have to do. Second, we should connect this data grid tool. That will be how to buy. Make sure it's aligned and data source. Oh, here we go. So second, text box. This text box you have to connect it to the respective feeds. Do that. Make sure it's clicked and you look for data source. Sure. And feeds right there for you. Just same. Here we go. And next, we like to do some basic coding, but actually, with the help of VB, with the help of Virtual Data Manager, and we've already code. We've done the coding. So Microsoft has this ID has done the coding for us. So we click R. You can see we have data 1, which we are not using. So now we are using ADHO. So ADHO DC1. So you have to change everything all required into ADHO DC1. So that one. Okay. As we have to. Yeah. Voila. That's without okay. Forward. Here we go, we are done. Finish section. For better still, you can use the help of edit and find and replace. Can find and replace, and find name and replace. Since okay, find name and find data 1, and we'll replace it by this. The specific region house. Okay, so we have done with that. So if you run our basic hard employees, employee, yeah, let's run our what happened? Compiler, so we have some problem. Procedures, compare procedure have the same name. Including that out, just comment it for that problem. So here we have, so to hard name Harrison, for your ID E4101 email, and you can specify anything like since we are not validating, so salary and database. 19 forever. So you can see it's hard. It's next. A good year. E02 May June and salary zero bits so here we go. So you can see how so we can refresh, also we can update and close. Oh, I think here comes the problem. So we can just deal with all this. So necessary. So yeah, that's for that.